What if I told you that everything you think you know about the budget iPhone is about to be deleted? For over a decade, Apple has followed a strict hierarchy. You had the base model, and you had the Pro. If you wanted the real power, the real screen, and the real future, you had to pay the Pro tax. But as we sit here in 2026, the leaks coming out of Cupertino aren't just whispers anymore. They are a roar. There is a new player entering the arena, and it's called the iPhone 18e. This isn't just a refresh. This isn't an SE in a different skin. The E stands for everything, and for the first time in history, Apple is about to give the average consumer exactly what they've been begging for. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are holding an iPhone 13, 14, or even a 15, do not trade it in yet. You need to hear why the iPhone 18e is the most disruptive device Apple has ever built. Let's talk about the reality of the smartphone market in the USA right now. Prices are skyrocketing. The Pro Max models are pushing toward $2,000. Consumers are tired. We are looking for that sweet spot, that perfect intersection of cutting-edge tech and a price that doesn't feel like a mortgage payment. That is exactly where the 18e slides in. Apple has realized that to keep their dominance, they need to kill the mid-range competition once and for all. They aren't just making a phone, they are making a statement. The first thing that will hit you is the design. For years, the cheaper iPhones felt, well, cheaper. Thick bezels, older glass, and muted colors. The iPhone 18e throws that playbook out the window. We are looking at a chassis made of a new aerospace titanium light alloy. It's incredibly light, yet stronger than the stainless steel used in previous generations. And the screen. This is the big one. The 18e is rumored to feature the first ever 120Hz promotion display on a non-Pro device. Imagine the buttery smooth scrolling, the instant touch response, and the fluid animations that were once reserved for the elite, now sitting in your pocket for hundreds of dollars less. But the real magic isn't on the surface. It's what's happening in the silicon. Inside the iPhone 18e beats the A19 chip. Now, usually, Apple gives the lower-end models last year's processor. Not this time. Because of the massive push for Apple Intelligence, the 18e requires the latest neural engine. We are talking about a chip built on the 2-nanometer process. This is the smallest, most efficient, and most powerful architecture ever put into a consumer mobile device. Why does this matter to you? It means battery life that doesn't just last all day, it lasts 2 days. It means gaming performance that rivals dedicated consoles. And most importantly, it means this phone is future-proof for the next 7 to 8 years. Let's lean into Apple Intelligence for a moment, because this is the soul of the 18e. In 2026, AI isn't just a Siri upgrade, it's a lifestyle. The iPhone 18e is being marketed as the AI companion for everyone. Imagine a phone that doesn't just take photos, but understands the context of your life. It knows your schedule, it anticipates your needs, and it handles the mundane tasks that eat up your day. From summarizing hours of lectures to drafting professional emails in your specific voice, the 18e is designed to be your personal assistant. And because it happens on device, your data stays yours. No